Hello students, last class you have done about chemical bond and electrovalent bond. Our today's topic is characteristics of ionic compounds. Now first, physical state. Physical state. Ionic compound exist in the form of crystalline solid under ordinary condition. Reason, due to presence of strong electrostatic force of attraction called ionic bond between oppositely charged ions. Now second property, second characteristic, melting point and boiling point. Ionic compounds have high melting point and high boiling point. Reason, because strong electrostatic force of attraction hold the oppositely charged ions closer and lock them in the specified position in their crystal lattice. This is why high temperature is needed, large amount of heat energy is needed to separate the ions, to change them into liquid state or to boil the substance, and they have high melting and boiling point. Let us see next point. Stability. Ionic compounds are highly stable. As I told you, due to strong ionic bond, electrostatic force of attraction, oppositely charged ions are held closer. These are locked in specified position. They are not free to move. Hence, the compound is highly stable. Now, next point is solubility. Ionic compounds are soluble in polar solvent like water. Reason, water is water is a polar covalent molecule. When ionic compound is added to it, then ion and dipole interaction starts, which results the separation of oppositely charged ions in the ionic solid and it dissolves in it. Second reason is high dielectric constant of water, that is At. This property of water reduces the electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions by 1 by At. Therefore, ions get separated and it dissolves in water. Next, ionic compounds are insoluble in the organic solvent because they are not polar, they don't have high dielectric constant, and ionic compounds do not dissolve in benzene, alcohol, ether, acetone, etc. Dissociation. Ionic compounds, when added to water, oppositely charged ions get separated. This is called dissociation. Reason, because of high dielectric constant and polar nature of water, oppositely charged ions gets separated, and this is dissociation. Conductivity. Ionic compounds do not conduct electricity in solid state because oppositely charged ions are held together, attracted towards each other by strong electrostatic force of attraction, and they are not free to move even on applying electric field. But their aqueous solution or molten form conduct electricity because these oppositely charged ions become free to move, and these act as carrier of electric current and conduct electricity. Isomorphism. Some ionic compounds have same arrangement of atoms and same geometry. These compounds are called isomorphs, and this phenomenon is known as isomerism, isomorphism. See the example. Like white vitriol and green vitriol. Density. Ionic compounds have high density because what is the reason? Strong electrostatic force of attraction hold the positively charged ions closer, tightly held. This is why they have high density. Next point. Reactions. Aqueous solution of ionic compounds undergo ionic reaction, interaction between ions, and these reactions are very fast. Why is the reaction very fast? Because ions take part in the reaction. Now, for example, this reaction is very fast. As soon as a drop of NaCl solution is added to silver nitrate solution, within second you will see that white precipitation take place. Reaction is very fast. Now next is isomerism. They do not show isomerism. Reason? Because ionic bond or electrostatic force of attraction is non-directional. This is why they cannot show stereoisomerism. That's all for today. Let us see some questions. Now you will write this question in your fair copy. First question, define. Define. First, chemical bond. Number 2, ionic bond. Number 3, electrovalency. Number 4, ionic compound. Number 5, ions. Second question, draw the structure. First, NaCl, CaO, MgCl2. That's all for today. Thank you.